So don't even try, don't even try. There's a symphony you're missing. If you only listen, you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Good afternoon, guys! Welcome to Dayan and JV's baby shower and gender reveal.
Parang hindi mo naman ako kailangan.
There's no use in chasing
For our
nickels
first
and
game,
dimes.
it's called
Nickels and
Ice
dimes.
Ice Baby. Wow, you
Riches
go!
all
Oh my gosh!
around you. Open
Hindi
your
mo pinahingin.
eyes. Open your eyes. You can't buy the peace you're after.
Guys,
So
kaya
don't
niya.
even try.
Baby!
'Cause you'll
Hindi siya
find
nagpatalo.
big magic in the mundane. The big picture.
Okay, the title of our game. Alam niyo to, Chug the Bottle. Okay, ready? Go!
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Yung dami niyan si JV, si
Alright, I think we can all see.
Diyan sa mga upuan nyo, merong mga gift certificate. Joke lang. Sak lang yan. So there will be 8 socks to find under your chair. Ay, or kaya sa mga
So lahat tayo kasali dito.
chair. Hindi ko alam kung saan sa chair.
Our game is guess the bump size. So this is team girl and team boy. Each team will be given a ribbon which color corresponds to the gender of their team. Each team should guess the circumference of Diane's tummy by cutting the ribbon to their guessed size. So gagawa kayo ng bilog dun sa ribbon na sa tingin nyo Pag sinuot nyo kay Dayan, saktong-sakto.
So, got it.
Ay! Okay, so ito yung sobra nila. I-note natin yung
Pwede mo
sobra.
i-mark yan.
Dayan, parang ang laki ng tingin nila sa'yo, no?
Ay! Team Marcy!
Okay. I think we have a winner. Congratulations, Team Girl.
Let's go!
Boy.
Are you ready? Team Girl, can I hear you again? Team Girl? Alright.
Kami ni JV.
1, 2, again? 3, slice the cake!
Taas.
1, 2, 3, raise it up! Congratulations!
Is it a boy or girl, little boy or girl? Now everyone will know we're having a girl. We'll give her all the world. We're having a girl. Can't wait to meet our little girl. We're having a girl, little girl. Now everyone will know we're having a girl. Can't wait to meet our little girl.
Thank you everyone for coming. Lahat ng galing from other places, far and near. Thank you so much. Lahat kayo na-appreciate.
Family, friends, and ayan, thank you for coming for our gender reveal times baby shower times. Thank you so much. We didn't expect na ganito kadami pupunta. We are happy and also BBX is happy na na-meet na kayo lahat kahit di pa siya lumalabas. For you, BBX, hindi. For for baby Ciara. For baby Ciara, ayan, I hope you, hindi ko sasabihin ko. I'm so happy that dumating ka sa buhay namin kahit alam mo naman na hindi kami prepared, but I'm thankful to God na binigay ka sa amin. It's a very, very wonderful blessings na yun yung binigay mo sa amin. And ayun, welcome to the real world. Ayan, and we real world. Siyempre, iba yan eh. Ayan. I welcome you soon sa real world. Ayan. Kami mag-welcome sa'yo ni mami mo. And I hope na na you're gonna be a daddy's girl. Ayan. Ako bahala sa'yo.
Okay, Baby X. Ayun nga, hindi namin na-expect, pero super happy kami dalawa. Hindi rin namin na-expect yung reaction namin pareho nung nalaman namin. Pero we're very happy, we're very blessed, and mas masaya kami kasi 4 months na namin nalaman, pero okay siya. Very normal and everything. Thank you.